What's up? JC News Now. Let's go check out Probation and Parole in Howell County. See what's going on in here. They're open to 4:30. Looks like. Oh, no, I'm just looking around. Okay. Thank you. There's just stuff for the public. There's a camera right there. There's a camera right there. Oh, peekaboo. I see you. We're hiding. That's all good.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, how are you?
Good, good. Can I help you with anything?
I'm just looking around today.
Okay. What's your name?
JC.
JC?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
What's your name?
Officer Carter. Are you
Cool.
On probation or parole or anything?
Well, I don't answer questions.
Okay. All right.
All right. Well, we got 30 minutes. Don't hide. You don't have to hide. What do we got here? State of Missouri. Oh, it's calendars. How cool is that? How cool is that? Don't have any personal information out and about, do we? Officer Carter.
Sir?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
trying to shine through the department or through the window there? Are you trying to shine, like, record through the window there?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, there's protected information in here.
It's onus is on you to protect that, not me. Anyway, Officer Carter.
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Yes, sir. Would you like to help me with something? Dale Carter know that I'm here?
Yeah, I saw you today. Can I help you with something?
Sure, can I get your name?
No.
Oh, then you can't help me. You're dismissed.
Can I get your name?
No, sir.
I'm gonna ask you to leave.
You can ask all you want. It's a public office.
Please leave.
No.
Okay.
All right. You want to give me your name before you bark directives? He wants to bark a directive, but he don't want to give his name. Leaving any information out for the public to view? I hope not. We're afraid of a camera? Wonder if they caught the popo. I'm sure they did. Okay, yes, I do need help, please. Yes, sir, I do need help. Can I have a blank sheet of paper? I'm going to do a sunshine request right here. I'm going to do a sunshine request. I'll give it to you, and you can copy it and date stamp it and give me my copy back, and I'll get out of your hair. Okay. I mean, if you called the police, I'll wait around, but if you're not going to, I don't have a lot of time. But I won't run from the cops. I really just need to do a sunshine request, so I do have business here.
Our information is not public record.
Yes, it is, sir.
No, it's not.
It most certainly is. You're paid by tax dollars. It's public record. I'm still going to submit the request. By law, you have to take it. So all I need is a blank sheet of paper, and you got a pencil here. I'll do it. You make my copy. I'll get out of here. If you're not going to comply, I'm going to put a complaint on you, sir. Well, non-compliance. Annie wouldn't identify. We'll find out. Sir, I really would like your name so I can file a complaint. You got one or two routes. You can give it to me or I'm going to sunshine it. And I'll put your information on my channel. Everybody will know it. Alright. Not getting much compliance here. We're gonna fix that though. Uh-oh, here's 5-0. No, sir. Crimes. All right, here he comes. Let's see what he has to say.
Hey, sir.
How's it going?
Do you go by JC?
Yeah, that's me.
They don't want you here anymore. You care to leave for me?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to do a sunshine request first.
Well,
This
this
here.
isn't the way you do it.
It is.
But they want you to leave. So
Okay.
let's step out of the building, okay?
What, is it a public office?
Sir, they told me it's their building, it's the state's building, and they don't want you here.
That
so
makes
you
it
need to
public.
leave.
Are you going to
No,
arrest
just
me
not
if I
me.
don't?
Yes, sir. I will arrest you.
That's all I needed. What's your name and badge number?
It's all painted right here.
Oh, so you just don't want to say it? Come
That's
on,
not
man.
bad. You can see it clearly, correct? So
Yeah, but
let's go ahead and go.
All right, don't touch me. I'll go. Don't touch me. Don't put your hands on me.
Go
now.
ahead and step out, because
I'm
I've
going
asked
to.
you 3 times now to step out of the building.
I'm going to. What's your name and badge number?
I've already given it to you.
No, you didn't. You didn't give me your badge
Okay.
number.
So if they don't want you here anymore, if you come back, they're gonna want you.
Am I
Trying to
detained?
do a trespass. Nope.
All right, then. I don't want to hear nothing you got to say. You're dismissed. You're dismissed, Brixey. Get back to work. You don't want to identify. I'm going to come back, and I'm going to do my sunshine request like it's allowed by law.
Okay.
You're violating my rights, sir.
Okay.
It's state property. That means it's public. And you put your hands on me.
Yep, because you refuse
You
to leave.
cannot put your hands on a private citizen, sir, without cause.
Sir,
Did
if you go back in the building, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Have a great day.
did I commit a crime?
Yes, you're trespassing.
No, I'm not. You just asked me to leave and I left. Afterwards, it's a crime, buddy. Learn the law. I'm gonna pull your information. You are dismissed. Get your butt back to work. Go on. Get back to work. Shoo. Shoo. Get your ass back to work. Sorry I made your appointment late. I'm not gonna get you on camera. I'm JC News Now.
Hold on. Yeah, where is it? Do it.
Sorry I made your appointment late.
No, you're good.
I'm
I ain't tripping about it. I didn't have to do it in there.
I'm JC News Now. I'm on YouTube. I'm a cop watcher.
Oh, there you go.
I hold them accountable. I just got trespassed from a public building. That's a rights violation.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. So anyway, it'll be on JC News Now here tonight.
There you go.
We'll see what happens.
Have a good night, buddy.
Hey, be safe out there, man.
Yeah, you too, man. Keep a watchful eye.
I will. Check me out, man. I got
JC News?
JC News Now. It'll pop right up on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I got like 1,200 videos. I'm still small. I got 18,000 subscribers.
There you go.
So it's growing.
Yeah, I'll check it out, man.
Yeah, man. Howell counties.
They're
Crooked.
jokes sometimes, bro.
Oh man, I lived here in the 90s. That's why I'm back.
There you go. Where'd you come back from?
Well, I grew up in Little Rock,
Right.
but now I live in Branson.
Okay.
So, yeah. Brixey trespassed me from a public building. I can't.
Okay, man.
All right, see ya. All right, let's get some yonder, y'all. Trespass from a public building. Let's go get a complaint form. All right, y'all. JC News. Peace.